Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how you start a PDTD measurement with an HVA68-2 and a PDTD60-2. This video is a part of our series regarding a complete PDTD measurement cycle.
We now start with our measurement procedure. We control everything for the measurement via the PC with the B2 Suite software. We are now in the home screen. We can now go to Cable Grid.
We then start a combined measurement. The combined measurement is an option to cover different measurement types within one single measurement. Especially for the use with the PDTD2 device, it's very helpful and time-saving feature since you can measure PD and TD at the same time. First of all, the calibration is carried out. This step consists of the following steps: noise analyzing, verify cable set properties and calibration. To start the noise analysis, select the play button at the cockpit area.
We connect our calibrator with an appropriate charge.
This charge has nothing to do with the charge calibration. At this step the software verifies the cable length and the velocity of the connected cable set. Therefore it's very important to get the reflection of the pulse from the far end. Make sure to use a high enough charge. If the far end is not visible, select a higher value on the calibrator and restart the measurement.
Prior to starting the calibration process, make sure that the calibrator is connected and set to the defined charge value. Confirm the corresponding pop-up window with OK. Calibration will then start automatically with the PD amplitude calibration. We have completed the calibration and can now start the measurement.
We now disconnect the calibrator.
We accept the warning message when the calibrator is disconnected.
When we start the measurement, a notification will appear on the screen with the maximum output voltage of the test. So make sure to have a proper and safe measurement setup according to the local requirements and safety rules before you apply high voltage. The activation of the high voltage needs to be done on the HVA test set. It's not possible to activate it in the software. Do it by pressing the green HVIO button on the HVA test set. The device state box in the software will turn red, yielding that high voltage is applied. Now the first thing to be done is to measure the noise again, this time with the HVA. The combined measurement is very similar to the procedure of the single measurement. In case you use the feature to measure PD and TD at the same time, there's just one little difference. The counter of the measurement step starts with the counter of the TD measurement. As soon as the software gets a valid TD value, the counter starts to count. The Validated Results menu enables you to check the validate recorded PD events. At the B2 Suite version 2, a mathematical algorithm summarized the PD events to baskets. For more details on the analysis of the measurement values, please check out the manual. The overview indicates that the measurement results and state of the cable set based on the linked test sequence. At the end you get a total overview of the measurement. Each measurement type assessment is visible in its own column, like the single measurement types. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.